Hi guys, welcome to tutorial Race, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the custom post type. As you know, by default in WordPress there are two type of post, one is post and another one is page. So have you ever thought when you create a new post, for example, this is new post, new post content. Now I'm publishing it. So, have you ever thought that after inserting in which table does it go? Because WordPress has by default 12 tables. By default, WordPress has 12 tables. So, in which table this content got inserted into? Let me tell you that it is WP underscore post table in which this data is inserted. So, if you want to see, just click on this and you can see this is the post just I have added. Now let's add another post through this page. Now this time I'm adding a page. Now you might be wondering, after publishing this page, in which table this will get inserted. WordPress inserts pages and posts in the same table. So let's see, click on this ID so that it will display descending order. Okay, so you can see this is example of page. So now it's clear that it is WP post table in which pages as well as posts both are inserted. So now how the WordPress maintains this and how WordPress differentiates these two things. Let's see, when you create a new page, then you can see there is type equals to page. Okay, so this thing is inserted here. Let me show you. There is a field called post type. There is a field called post type. So it is page and then post. So based on this post type, WordPress differentiates between different post types. So apart from these two post types, WordPress has facility to extend more than two post types, and that is called custom post type. So let me show you that how you can create custom post type, because custom post type is a very important part of WordPress through which you can create a big application in short time and writing less code. Suppose I want to add here blog. Okay, let's go to function.php. So this is our, let's go to function.php and then let's write this code. So let's paste this code. So this is the code through which you can create a custom post type. So this is sample code, just I have pasted here. Now I write here as blog, or let me create portfolio. Portfolio. Okay, so portfolio, yeah. So leave it as it is. So what I'm doing, I'm creating a portfolio section here. So just after pasting this code, so this is called hook. Okay, so create this post, and of this name there is a one function, and inside that there is different arguments. This is label and similar label, as well as what it will show title, editor and thumbnail. So let me show you that how this works. After pasting this, now let's go to admin section of WordPress and just refresh the page, and you can see this portfolio has appeared here. So as you can see, it's really very easy, and not only that, just click on this and you can create here new post or new portfolio. So one important thing which you need to uh, check here, the post type you can see is portfolio, this one. So from where did it come? It is coming from this one. This post type portfolio, this portfolio actually is the post type here, the portfolio. And this label is here, portfolio, and this one is here, this. And also this title is here, and this editor is here, and thumbnail is there. So hope you understand this, that how the structure of this custom post type is. Now let's add few posts here. So I'll write here as portfolio 1, and then this is description of portfolio 1. Now I will upload one image, say this one. Now publish. Similarly, I will create another portfolio, say portfolio 2. Portfolio 2. This is example of portfolio 2. Now I will add another image, say this one. Again, let's add the third one. 3 is portfolio 3. Now let's upload another image, this one. So we have created, okay, so we have created 3 posts. So let's click on this, and you can see we have created portfolio 1, portfolio 2 and portfolio 3. Now we will display these things in the front section of our theme. So I will show you that in the next video. So stay connected. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.